All right, this time I am bicycling in to save time and also prevent mosquitoes from really getting me. Mostly it's a coast downhill all the way to the shoreline. So that's pretty cool. Very little effort. Very little effort getting down there. And then the effort comes when I have to return. But I'll think that's for future Travis to worry about. Oh, and I still have to ride the brake a little bit. Because yeah, this road is far too dangerous for my car and a little dangerous in some sections. So, I mean, I guess you could argue that if there's one section that's dangerous for my bicycle, that's pretty much practically you're gonna have to say that the trail is dangerous. There's one little section that's dangerous, the trail is dangerous. But really it's just a couple of little sections that are in bad shape, and it's so long too. Gosh, I'm thinking not many people take this because of the long distance you gotta walk and deal with, oh, this fallen tree, deal with the mosquitoes, oh no, and I'm moving in sandals too, and I'm trying to make noise for bears or whatever animals could be in this area as well. I don't want to sneak up on an animal. I did see some poop on the trail, not as big as the brown bear's poop in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, but it's poop. Maybe it's not even a bear. I think it is, but maybe it's not. Bears love the poop on trails, so when you see poop on trails, there's a chance, depending on the size. There's other animals around, turkeys. They don't poop like that though. Coyote I saw yesterday and today. Man, this is so long. And it's all downhill actually. I haven't pedaled once. I haven't needed to like pedal once. Okay, is this, okay, this is it. Now, I'm thinking I'm just gonna throw the bicycle off to the side. Who the heck is gonna be down here to steal it? Because, yeah, further in, it's just, well, I guess I could have brought it in further. It should be fine. Okay, I am recording and waiting for the satellites to come all online. Okay, we're good. So this is me sitting on the bench. Gonna take off here. All right. Now, oh, you're a little shaky. Oh, you don't want to move. Okay, you go back. Okay. Oh. All right, I gotta be very careful because, yeah. So this is kind of a new bench. That's kind of neat. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, man, this is something kayakers see. Oh, I suppose the sun is, oh, negative 20 feet. Something that kayakers see more than people on the coast. They take their kayaks to check out these caves, and I'm a little scared to get too low actually. But yeah, this is it. This is the cave, because a wave could come up and hit the drone, and there's no way I could really get in there. And oh, got a mosquito on me. Kind of a cool looking natural scene. So let's get a reverse view of this. Wait a second, let me make sure I'm going up, back, okay. See the water shooting out the caves, getting carved. And it's just woods. You know, in these thick woods, I get attacked a lot by mosquitoes, but sitting on the coast, I'm okay. They're really leaving me alone. And this is Lake Superior. And there's really just no swimming beach. There's that island way out there. Whoops. But yeah, I'm not interested in going out there. What I want to do is just get a look at this coast a little bit better. And follow the trail if possible. You can see it's just daunting waves. That is very daunting. See the ripples happening. This would be like a view on a ship. When you're looking for somewhere to land, and there's really just, oh, what's that? Oh, okay. I thought I was seeing something there. I'm walking back now. And I should be able to follow this. Whoa, gotta watch where I'm walking though. So people could climb up into certain caves if they want. I'm not exactly sure where my drone is. Where am I in? Look. I don't think I can even. Yeah. Oh, there I am. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's my hand. Okay, I can see the drone. Okay. So I'm following where I'm walking. I'm a little ahead of it, I guess. And I want to follow these caves a little bit. Maybe back up. But I want to be careful. Yeah, there I am. Whoop. Getting ahead of myself. So, yeah, here I am walking on camera. I'd like to be in the center more. Oh, the sun. Let me go up a little. I don't want that. I guess I'm facing the sun too much. Ooh. You can see there's a trail along the edge. I hope to make it to get a landing over, yeah, this cave, which the sun is not being nice. Just a cliff face all around. You can kind of see land off in the distance. Yeah, this is what I entered. In fact, let me just see. Can I see my car from here? I am deep in the forest. Deep in the forest. I'll go up to 400 feet. Let's see. I feels okay. I'm here at the spot. Okay. Yeah. I am not seeing where my car is. It's back quite a ways, deep in the woods. I mean, the trees cover the trail. Okay. All right. So I'll return. So this is the tree line. You can see it just abruptly ends to arrive at the caves. It was maybe like a half mile to get here for me. Okay, and then this is the cave. I'm standing on the edge, and I have to catch this drone without falling, without dropping it. You can see I'm right here. Just kind of standing here, and I'm over caves a little bit. Oh, that sun. Can I get out of that? That's gonna mess with my drone. I should be able to see the drone. Oh, I'm right in sun. Okay, well, I'm gonna just not mess with that too much because that messes with the drone's sensors. Okay, and then I can bear. Whoa, 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 whoa! No, 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 no. Okay, there's the drone. I see it. Now I'm just gonna work on landing. That's the most important part. I'm gonna have to put it in sport mode, I think. Okay, okay. I guess I'm doing it backwards. I should probably turn around. It's not gonna be too over a little. Okay. Okay. Can we come in more? Okay. I think that's good. Yeah. Gotcha.